In the litigation of hundreds or thousands of claims involving damages caused by a particular medical drug or device, it is impossible to have a trial for each case. In order to effectively manage these cases, the federal and state courts have adopted certain procedural tools to make the process run smoothly and efficiently. In federal court, after the initial wave of cases has been filed, the federal courts will pick one judge to preside over all of the matters in one court. This is called a multi-district litigation, or MDL. That judge will then pick a central group of attorneys for the plaintiffs and one group for the drug companies. And they will have the responsibility to prepare all of the general discovery for all of the cases in the MDL. There are literally tens of millions of documents to review, scores of witnesses to depose, and a ton of work that has to be done for every case. After this general discovery is finished, the MDL judge will select a small group of plaintiffs whose cases will be tried first. This is done to give all of the parties an idea of how a typical jury will rule on a case. At the same time, there may be cases that are being prosecuted in an individual state court, usually where the manufacturer of the drug is located. These state courts adopt similar procedures as the MDL, and often the attorneys in the MDL and state court proceedings will coordinate their discovery. During this process, the lead attorneys from both sides will often engage in some settlement discussions to see if a possible resolution can be made. Ultimately, both sides have to make a prediction of how the juries will rule in their case. At Jacoby & Myers, we have a tremendous amount of experience participating in the MDL and coordinated state proceedings. We often will have partner law firms join us in the litigation with the requirement that they must be trial litigators who are active participants in the MDL process. We believe that this is the best way to provide you with the quality of representation that you deserve. At Jacoby & Myers, we are on your side.